Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a stage 2 remap on a VAUXHALL MERIVA 2007. We're going to open up the spreadsheet that shows you the percentages we're going to increase it by. Select the stage 2 so that it's easier for you guys to see, and we're going to open up ECM Titanium. Click browse and find the original file, and we're going to open up the original one, not the stage 1 or any of the other modified ones, just the original. And since we've done this one before, we'll have it in the database already, so we don't need to go into the search again. And that's the 1.3 diesel. So we'll open this up and click yes, and now we've got all of the maps. I'm going to show you the torque limiters first because I already have the percentage up. So we'll go into the first torque limiter, press enter to access the map. The torque limiter is going to be increased by 40% in this one, as the previous one was 35, so this one will keep at 40%. So if we go back onto ECM and take the percentage up to 40%, click the percent button and select all of the data. Once you've selected it, click page up on the keyboard, and we can close this and move on to the next one. We're going to do the same thing on the second map. Select all of the data, make sure the percentage is at 40 and click percent and page up to increase all of these values as well. And once that's done, you can close this and move on to the last one. And same thing here, make sure you have to press enter to go into the map. Select all of the data, have the percent button selected. If you look carefully at the values, you can see that they all increase, and the color around the data is light green turns dark green. Once that's done, you can close this and move on to the injection maps. With the injection, if you look here, it's 8% increase, so we're going to go over here. We're going to use 1% as the increase because there's not enough data to move along for a 0.5% increase. Even a 1% increase, giving a gradual increase, is really good for this. Once the data is selected, we're going to select percent and make sure it's highlighted again. Press page up to increase the values. We're going to just follow this step 8 times so that we can get the 8% increase. Once that's done, you can close this and move on to the next one. And this is the last map that we have for this car, so we're going to do the same thing here. Select the load from 19 to 1000 revs, click the percent button and click page up to increase all of the values. And like the first map, we're going to keep this to 8 increases to get the 8% altogether. So that makes it 4%, that makes it 5, that's 6, 7 and 8% increase. We can go ahead and close that, make sure save and exit is selected, click OK, click the save button, click no and yes to export it, and go onto the main folder, and this one we're going to rename as stage 2 eco power mod. We're going to save that, close everything down. Once everything's closed, we're going to go into the Meriva folder, and as you can see, the new file is ready, stage 2 eco power mod, and now you can put that into the car with a stage 2 remap. Make sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have any suggestions, and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you click the bell icon to get regular notifications of our new uploads. Thank you.